Hello, fantastic fifth graders and families. This is the first in a series of videos to help you understand what we do at school and in the at-home learning part of your fifth grade day. We start each day with an agenda slide like the one you see before you. This is actually from today. Tuesday and Friday are both math days. So on our agenda, we list what we're going to be doing and also an I can statement that explains what students should learn that day in class. Additionally, we include what they need to bring because some days we need whiteboards and some days we don't need whiteboards, so it's really helpful to know that at the start of class. As we go through class and do our learning in class, we ask that students contribute and show us their work and do all the things that they would do in class if we were face to face. After they finish with their classwork, we give students some at-home learning. The at-home learning is meant to be about 2.5 hours of work that students do when they're done with the daily class Zoom. This is a diagram that shows what the assignments are for at-home learning. It's a little complicated though, although we'll have it posted in Remind and we'll also post it on our website. There's an easier way to know what your student needs to do in the moment, though, and that's through Google Classroom. This is an example student's Google Classroom. This is actually a student in one of our classes in the afternoon class. And in this Google Classroom, you can see that we have several different topics to help students stay organized. Right now, I'm in the Classwork tab, and the Classwork tab is where students can find their assignments, both for in-class and for at home. The Stream tab is where they can find the link to the daily Zooms. In this Classwork tab, you can see that we have an in-class this week topic, and also an at-home this week topic. If we were able to scroll down, there's also a last week topic, so you can find old work, and then even older for work that might be a couple of weeks old when we eventually get there. The in-class this week includes the materials that we're going to go through as a class. So today we worked on a lesson on fractions and decimals, just reviewing how fractions are related to decimals. And students clicked on this assignment and used the resources in the assignment while they were in class. The at-home this week contains the assignments that students should do after class. Now, as I scroll down a little bit in this image of the student's work, you can see that some of these are darker, and those are the assignments that this student still needs to do. And then, a couple of them are grayed out, and those are the ones the student doesn't need to do. We'll be talking with your student tomorrow about what they can do to participate, and we'll send out a video very soon. I'm sorry for the misclick. I have a cat who is anxious about the storm and is sitting on my computer.